Yeah, it's a snowstorm out here. So what I originally wanted to do, snowboard behind a four-wheeler, but there's so much snow, that's not really, you can't really rely on that out here because there's a lot of snow out here. So what I did instead was came to this drop-off and we sent it down in Mother Nature, untampered with nature out here. It's pretty slick. It worked pretty good. It's steep enough. However, over there, it's a little bit too steep, but maybe cause problems because the water is very close to there. But what I had intended, and this is what happened. So, okay guys, it's a little bit cold out here, so we're not gonna have much time for this video. But anyways, I'm out here. We had a big snowstorm. It's still pouring down out here. Out here in the middle of nowhere in this beautiful landscape, out in nature, doing some snowboard lines. So I'm gonna show you. So here's a good spot because it's a good ways down and it's very flat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down. Fortunately, it's a little bit hard with as you can see, we built momentum and we were able to go down over here. So yeah. That one's great. How much one yet? Okay, so now with this one, that one's very mellow. This one's a little bit more, you know, you have obstacles like that and stuff. So it'll be interesting going down this one. Yeah, the first one was right here when I sent it off that closest one and the steepest one. The one that's a little bit more mellow wasn't as far, but this one is a little bit steeper. Very nice. But yeah. Come down here, and I believe the ice is not frozen anymore. There should be trout under there. Yeah.